Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Toyota Tacoma's AC system. First, gather your tools. An AC recharge kit with a built-in pressure gauge and the correct refrigerant, usually R134A. Next, locate the low-pressure service port under the hood, usually on the passenger side and marked with an L. Finally, start your truck. Turn the AC to its coldest setting and set the fan speed to high. With your engine running and AC on, carefully remove the cap from the low-pressure service port. This port is designed to only accept the low-side connector, so you can't accidentally connect to the high-pressure side. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge hose to this port. Listen for a click to ensure it's securely fastened, preventing any refrigerant from escaping. Once connected, check the pressure gauge on your recharge kit. This will show you the current refrigerant level in your system. If it's low, hold the refrigerant can upright and squeeze the trigger to begin adding. While charging, gently shake the can, rotating it between the 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock positions every 10 to 15 seconds. This helps ensure a steady flow of refrigerant into the system. Keep an eye on your pressure gauge as you add refrigerant. Stop when the needle consistently reads within the green zone, indicating a proper charge. Overcharging can damage your system, so be careful not to add too much. Once complete, disconnect the hose and securely replace the low-pressure port cap. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as cool as your Tacoma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.